Getting clients is the main job of every voiceover artist. Sure, learning your DAW, getting the right audio environment set up, and having a great mic is important. But second to none is getting clients. About 2 years ago, I took down my recording booth because I was working on other things. My life was in disarray and I had lost a lot of my passion. The other projects I was working on in the life insurance industry, content creation, and podcasting still required everything that I had learned as a voiceover artist. Can I be honest here though? I freaking hate auditioning. There, I said it. What I started to realize recently was that I am getting voiceover work consistently every week. In fact, today I got 3 new jobs. I did not audition for any of these jobs. In fact, they came straight to me for just 2 reasons that will continue to be repeatable. I'll get into that soon. What I have discovered is the reason why you see me making room in my content creation studio for my booth once again. What I want to share with you is a process that I am using that literally no other voiceover coach has ever talked about. No one knows about it because I'm the only one doing it. When I realized this unique approach, I knew I was onto something because I was seeing it work in real time. I even talk about it in my new book that is already a bestseller on Amazon called How to Build a Business with Your Voiceover Skills, Volume 2. The link is in the description. Here's the thing though. I will be sharing with you in the next video exactly what my process is and how to execute it yourself. Believe me, there is nothing else you need to buy. You already have everything you need. Your job now will be to execute on this and go get clients. If you know other VOs, share this with them so they can get this info too. It's just that important. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next video.